Hello, welcome to Feliz Math Tutor. Today I'm going to talk about polynomials in algebra, and we will talk about degree, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and factoring polynomials. So let's start with what is polynomial means. Simply numbers and variables. So if I have one term like this is one term. So there is one variable. Actually, it can be many variables. And one number. So if it's like that, we call it monomials. Okay. If I have two terms, one term here, one term here, so I am adding them. So I will call it binomial. Okay. So if I have three, I will call it trinomial. So what happens if I have many? I will call it polynomial. Polynomial. So it can be positive or negative sign between terms, and it can have more than one variable in the terms. So these are the terms, okay, don't forget. One term, two term, 3, 4, 5, so on. So how about degree? So when we say degree of the polynomial, we will look for the biggest degree of the monomials in the polynomial. So let's first write the definition. Look for biggest degree. Okay. So let's see in example so we can understand better. So in this first example, I have three terms, and which one is the biggest degree? This one has biggest degree, which is 2 on the x. So in second example, biggest degree in here, y to the 4. So this is fourth degree. Fourth degree. And this is second degree. How about if I have something like mix of these two? Let's say I have 3x to the 2, y to the 4, plus something. Let's say this one is the biggest one. So I will look for the degree of the x and y. So I will look this x and y's degree, which are 2 plus 4 equal 6. So this polynomial has 6 degree. Okay. So we have special names, our polynomials. If it's first degree, we will call it linear. If it's second degree, quadratic. If third degree, we will call it cubic. So next we have addition of polynomials. So when we are adding polynomials, we will add like terms. So what is like terms? Like terms are has same variables. In this first example, my like terms are like this 2x cube, and x cube is one like term. X, 6x, and 3x, another like term. And numbers 3 and 3, another like term. So I will add them separately. 2x cube plus x cubed. So I will use parentheses to make it clear. Plus 3x plus 3 plus 3. So same terms, like same variables, will add together. So here we will have 3x cubed minus 3x plus 6. Okay. So let's see another example. In here we have x cubed and 2x cubed y. So these are not same, okay? Don't get confused. They are not same. So we cannot add them. We can add another other terms. So I will leave it there. Don't have anything to 2x cubed y plus x cubed plus. So we will again add like terms together. And we will have again 2x cubed y plus x cubed plus, not plus, minus 3x plus 6. Okay, so as you can see, we didn't do anything to these two terms. Okay, so another example. So here we have like terms. So this and this are same, like term. Okay, these are like term. So they have x cubed y variables. So I can add them. So it's different than previous example. So 2x cubed y plus x cubed y. I will add them. Similarly in parentheses. Plus 3 plus 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3x cubed y plus, not again, minus 3x plus 6. Okay. How about subtraction? So in subtraction, we will use same logic, but we will watch for negative signs. Okay, negative signs. Okay, let's see. Again, we will like term, we will make some operation to the like term. This and this negative like terms. Okay, so for x squared, this time I will use negative sign, right? 2x squared parentheses. So between parentheses I will use positive because I am using negative sign inside the parentheses. So 8x minus 4x. Let me use one more parentheses inside. So this minus and this minus for here. Okay. The other minus is for the variable from here. Okay. Don't get confused. And last terms, 3 minus 2. Okay. Again, this minus from the subtraction. Okay. So I have 2x squared here plus, so these two, when we make operation, they will become positive. So for 8x plus 4x will be 12x, and plus 3 minus 2 equals 1. Okay. Okay. So next example, and in this example, yeah, nothing changed. So we will again make operation like terms together and these terms together. Okay. So for x squared y, what is the difference from the first example? So this time I'm using two variables, x and y's, and minus 2x squared y, and plus between them 2xy minus xy. Okay. So I will get 2x squared y plus xy. Yes. So let's see how we multiply polynomials. So this time I will multiply numbers each other and variables each other. So here I have one term and two term. So I will multiply numbers each other. So 3 times 2 in one parenthesis, x and x, another parenthesis, and y squared and y in another parenthesis. Okay. And when you make this, you will get, let me remind this exponent properties. So in purple, y squared and y, when you multiply them, you are adding exponent 2 plus 1, so you'll get y to the 3. So this is from the exponent properties. So in here, when I multiply 3 and 2, I will get 6. How about x and x? So I will add them. So x to the 1 plus 1 and y to the 2 plus 1. So x square y cube. Okay. So next example, I have different example. So this is one term and I am multiplying here. I have 1, 2, 3 terms. So this kind of multiplication, so I will multiply each of them separately like that. Okay. This is because this is monomial and this is polynomial. So I will monomial distribute to the each of the terms of the polynomial. Okay. So 2x multiplied by x squared plus between them 2x multiplied by 2x plus 2x multiplied by 3. So 2x cubed plus 4x squared, because I'm adding x and x exponents. Okay. And plus 6x. Okay. I'm just distributing 2x to the each term of the polynomial. Okay, next example. Okay, next example, I have two binomial. Binomial means two terms. So I will distribute two terms to other two terms. For doing that, we will use special FOIL operation. What is FOIL means? F for first term, first terms. O for outer term, outer term, I for inner terms, L for last terms. Okay, so what is first term from my example? So my first terms 3x and x, so I will multiply them. 3x multiplied by x. Okay, like this, first term, and plus outer term. What is my outer terms? 3x plus multiplied by negative 3. So when I'm multiplying with this outer term, I will use negative sign in front of 3. Plus inner terms. What is my inner terms? Let me use another color. So my inner terms are 2 and x. Okay, this inner term. So I will multiply 2 and x plus, and last terms still, and last term says, and what is my last terms? 2 and negative 3. Okay, let me show this again. So use color code. Simply what I'm doing, first I'm picking 3x and multiply with this. Okay, and then I'm multiplying 3x by negative 3, and then I'm picking 2, multiplying by x, and then I'm multiplying 2 by negative 3. Okay, and my result is 3x squared plus, not plus because negative 3 I have negative 9x plus 2x minus 6. Okay, it's equal 3x squared. So I will add them. I will get 7x minus 6. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the division. So when I am dividing two polynomial, or in example I have monomial. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna just divide numbers by numbers, same terms with same term. So remember, when we are dividing exponent properties, a to the x and a to the y, we were making a to the x minus y. So I will use these properties here. So for 8 divided by 4, I have 2. So x to the 4, x to the 2. So I'm doing x to the 4 minus 2, and y to the 6 minus 3. So I will get 2 to the 2x squared y third. Yeah. Okay, let's see another example. So in this example, I have polynomial on the top and the monomial on the bottom part of the fraction. So I will divide all the terms by 2x. 12x cubed, 2x minus 6x squared, 2x minus 8x, 2x. So let me explain what I'm doing. I'm getting this, excuse me, this one is positive here. So this one is positive here. So I will get these signs from here. And I'm dividing everything by 2x. Okay. So again, I'm going to use exponent properties here. So 12 dividing by 2, I will get 6x 3 minus 1. So minus 3x 2 minus 1 plus 4 x 1 minus 1. So I will get 6x to the x squared 3x plus 4 y4, because when you have x to the 0, it's equal 1, and 1 you multiply by 4, it's equal 4. Okay, I think that's enough for today. For factoring polynomials, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.